Welcome to Ask and Learn.
We're asked to draw some free body diagrams for problems later in the chapter. So on problem 32, we have a kind of a boom here that has a weight hanging from it and a cable here supporting it back to another point over here. And then we have a pin joint here, so we have two reaction forces, or two reaction components at this pin joint. And this, because it's a cable, we know the direction, so there's just one component of force there. In 33, we have a jib crane that I've just kind of drawn as schematically here. It's carrying a load out here on the end of the crane, an external load. It also has weight. And then we have some bearings at the support so we can rotate around the vertical axis here. And in this case, we have the bearing can support thrust and radial loads at the bottom, but only radial loads at the top. In problem 35, we have a bent pipe structure, a bent pipe that's supported at three different points by smooth surfaces. And so there's a wall here, and so we have a force that will be in the vertical direction at this point and normal to the wall at this point. And then there'll be another force. There's another wall here, and there'll be another force, vertical force at this point. And then there's an external load acting at it on an inclined angle on the other end. And 36, we have a beam that's supported by two springs and has a distributed load acting on it. So these are the spring reaction forces. And again, we'd replace this with an equivalent load that will be at 2/3 the way down here, and then have the magnitude of the area under this curve